In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to insert footnotes in Google Docs. Footnotes are really helpful when you need to add extra information, explanations, or references at the bottom of your page without cluttering the main text. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to Google Docs and open your document. Step 2. Next, place your cursor where you'd like the footnote to appear. You can either highlight the sentence or simply click at the end of it. Step 3. Now, head up to the top menu and click on Insert. Step 4. From the drop-down, go to Page Elements and then select Footnote. Step 5. You'll notice a small number automatically appears in your text and a matching number shows up at the bottom of the page. Step 6. Here, you can type your footnote. This is where you add extra details, explanations, or even references for your readers. Step 7. And that's it. Your footnote is now successfully added. You can repeat the same process to insert more footnotes anywhere in your document. That's how quick and easy it is to add footnotes in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of my tutorials for tips that make your work easier.